Do you want a team of high-performing technicians that aren't distracted or burdened with concerns over their pay plan? Hey everyone, welcome back to Run My Business. I'm Craig Stevens. Today, we're diving into a decision that could impact costs and your team's motivation: how you pay your technicians. Hourly, commission, or flat rate? Each has its own merits. Let's break it down. These are the three main ways collision repair shops compensate their technicians. Understanding the nuances of each is essential for creating a fair and effective pay structure. I'm not telling you anything you don't know here. You are the experts at this, but it's a fair conversation to have and consider when making a change in your shop. First, hourly pay. The biggest benefit is predictability. Technicians know what they'll earn each week regardless of the workload. This creates stability and can foster a stronger sense of teamwork. Next, commission pay. It's defined by paying a percentage of the sale and can be a powerful incentive. Technicians are directly rewarded for their output, which can lead to increased productivity. But, as you might already know or can imagine, it's human nature to want to get through more work to achieve higher pay, which comes with the risk of mistakes and comebacks. You don't want customer satisfaction to suffer, so be mindful of this and be sure to implement a solid quality control process as cars progress through your shop. Finally, flat rate. Flat rate is essentially paying an agreed upon labor rate per item produced. This can and does drive productivity by directly linking pay to output. It also sets clear expectations for what technicians need to accomplish in order to earn more. However, like commission, flat rate can result in a desire to get through more work faster in order to increase pay. Those of you that use flat rate know that, and it can also be sometimes challenging to calculate based on the complexity of a job. Putting quality control checks in place helps here as well. You don't want to have an increase in comebacks, which costs you in rework dollars as well as loss of productivity on other jobs. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Like I said in the beginning, you are the experts here, not me. The best pay plan for your shop depends on your specific needs, your team, and your business goals. We're committed to providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Stay tuned for more valuable content by subscribing to our channel. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next episode.